Hi, this is Mike from Solid Signal, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your ordinary garage door opener into a smart garage door opener. Today we're going to set up the smart garage door opener. It contains a sensor to know if your garage door is open or closed, and it also hooks into your existing garage door to make it open and close from your phone or smart application. One of the first things we'll do is take off the lamp cover on your garage door opener. This is going to reveal 4 terminals, 2 of which we'll be using to hook up the garage door Wi-Fi controller. I'm going to mount the smart garage controller using the provided 3M sticky tape. 2 things to keep in mind when you're mounting your smart garage controller is how far you are away from a power outlet and how far you are from the terminals here. This gives you about 12 inches of space. On this model, I just have to push in these little orange tabs that will pop out the terminals, and I can put the new wires in. The next step is to run the sensor wire. I'm going to be using the sticky cable clips that are included. The sensor should be installed close to the top of the garage door. That's so it can match up with another sensor to give your smart controller the sign that the garage door is closed. I'm going for a non-permanent installation, so I'm going to use the included 3M sticky tab. We just want to make sure that the sensors line up. Then we're just going to use a couple cable clips to tidy it up. The garage door opener is now hooked up to power, it's hooked up to these terminals, and it's also hooked up to a sensor bar. The next step to know if this works is to press the test button. Success! Now that we have the hardware hooked up and tested, we're going to connect it to the network to take advantage of some of the cool features. I've already downloaded the Smart Life app. Next, I'm going to add a device and scroll down to Garage Door Opener. I've been prompted to reset the device. Following the on-screen instructions, just hold it down for 5 seconds until the light's blinking. Once you can confirm this, you'll be asked to enter your Wi-Fi password to complete the setup. Okay, the smart garage door opener is hooked up to the app and your Wi-Fi network. Next, you can hook it up to your digital assistant like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. If you like cool products like these, check out solidsignal.com and be sure to search for the Smart Garage Door Opener. Thanks.